What's up, everybody? KTG612 back at it. Man, it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video. For like 2 months now, I've hit a plateau. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I don't like riding as much. Am I getting old? Am I getting so much more busy in my life that riding has taken a back seat? Decided to jump on the bike today. Looks like it might rain actually, but hopefully it holds out. Just gotta drop something off real quick and head back home. Decided to take the bike. Hope everyone is doing well. Just wanted to talk a little bit. That's it. Let's take a talk and ride. Riding and talking with you. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about the channel. I don't know what direction I'm going with it. What am I doing? I haven't uploaded again in 2 months. I haven't ridden the bike in about 2 weeks. And it feels like I'm riding less and less as I get older. Today I just woke up with a lot of energy, just missing riding, and I have about 2 years of videos from 2020 that I haven't even started working on. So today I woke up, started editing videos, and I'm like, I'm editing videos, but let's go for a ride. I jumped on the bike, and now here we are, we're out riding, and I love it. I forgot how much fun it was. Oh man, I always got to remember to do what you love and like, right? And I know I had a video way back when I was a young whippersnapper, kind of just judging, yeah, being judgmental and not knowing the full picture, just asking why motovloggers quit, why they just all of a sudden fall off the map and just stop doing it. And I almost did that. I almost just like forgot about vlogging, forgot about riding. But I guess that's why I'm making this video, to say is I think I'm back. I know this is what I want to do. I know I want to continue vlogging, continue to show you my riding experience. But to do that, the hard part is the editing. I think that's really what it is. It's editing. I could go out and ride and it's a blast, but then you go ride for 4 hours, you come back with 4 hours of footage, and you got to create content with that, right? So like I said, I got 2 years of footage that I'm gonna start working on. I gotta do this if I want to, you know, be a part of this community and create content and, you know, entertain you. I have to do this. So this is just my video saying it's on, like Donkey Kong. We back at it, baby. Ain't no more effing around. We can rest later. Work hard now, live a easy life later, right? I missed a lot of group rides, a lot of bike gatherings. I feel so disappointed in myself. I'm ashamed. I have a personal goal of being one of the top motovloggers in Minnesota. That's just my own personal goal, and I feel like I haven't been trying to reach it. So it's back on. I gotta put this video out there. I gotta speak this into existence to manifest these dreams, these goals, right? So it's that video to do that. And I hope everyone's having a great time in their own personal life. Seriously, no sarcasm. I hope everyone's doing well. I mean, COVID's over, right? I think so. It feels like it. It feels like COVID is over. It feels like everything's getting back to normal, and I kind of was enjoying that normalness, that normalcy, whatever that is. Is that a word? I don't know. But I was enjoying that. Things going back to normal, and I kind of lost track of the YouTube and the vlogging. But like I said, I woke up this morning and I was missing it all, missing the riding, missing the editing, missing it all. I was going through all the videos. It was roughly about exactly the first video I looked at was 2 years ago from today. And that's how far behind I am. But if I could start pumping them out now and make sure I maintain that KTG quality, I think we could do something. I've hit a plateau. I can't grow if I'm not uploading, right? I'm not promoting. So, leg out. And I know this video probably doesn't even have to go, like I don't even, these words don't even have to be said. I could just probably just go and start making videos and start pumping them out. But I think this is my own hype video for myself. If I can actually go home and edit this video right after I ride today and motivate myself to do that, then I think I'm on to something. I think I can maintain this energy, keeping the same energy, keeping this going, keeping this flowing. Leg out. I'm gonna eat some gas. I don't think I ever uploaded the video, but I remember the first time that my gas light came on and I started freaking out, like, what's going on? I bought this bike and now it's all weird. And because, like, you see the double zeros right there and it starts counting upwards, which I think is so backwards. I mean, shouldn't you let the people know how much you have left? And like, it counts upwards to, like, I think 1.1. I've never tested it, so I don't know. I don't want to test it to that point where my bike is on the side of the road out of gas. Oh, will I make it? Oh, F it. Let's go. Thug life. Alright, it wasn't that close of a call, but you know, you never know, okay?
What kind of gas?
Premium?
We're all sold out.
Oh, man. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. And that freaks me out too, that whenever you pump some gas, it doesn't go away. The gas light doesn't go away right away. Like, so I got 145 miles on the tank before the gas light came on. So it's not bad. Not bad. So yeah, and basically this is a pre-warning. You're gonna see videos with the 929. I sold that bike actually. It's still around. You'll see it in future videos, group rides, so it's not too far. And that's the thing, there's so much I need to catch you guys up on. Man, I feel so bad. Not like my life is like super entertaining or anything, but you know, for the people that actually, you know, care to follow and care about me enough to want to know, I appreciate you guys. But I feel like I've been working out a lot too, so I don't know, I don't feel like it's been too long where I've ridden the bike where I'm out of shape. I feel like I'm in better shape to ride. Lost about 10 pounds. Life is good. Life is amazing. Then I got a confession. I picked up a new hobby. Golfing. That's something I always told myself I would do though. I was like, once I get older and have more money, I would golf. I guess I'm older and I have more money. So it's time. And I've been carrying my golf clubs around in my car. And that's another reason why I don't ride as much, is because I have my golf clubs. I found this new love, but I think they can go hand in hand because they're both things that you take a lifetime to master, you know. Like, I will probably never master the motorcycle, especially not this baby. Oh man, this baby is more than enough for me. I couldn't even want to see myself going any faster than this now. Like, when I had the 600, it was fast at first. Like, initially you hear it get loud, and then you realize that you're working it up and it's just getting loud. It's not really going any faster until you get to the higher RPMs, and then that's when the power comes out. And then when I moved up to the CBR 929, that power felt better. It felt a lot better. But I think there was more that I wanted from it. And now jumping to the 1000 RR, man, this is way more than I need. This is way more than I need. This is awesome though. I love it. So I don't see myself wanting to get a new bike or anything for a while. Definitely some fairings, so I'm gonna upgrade the fairings. That's a must. I mean, I would want like all the electronics. That's the only reason why I would upgrade is for like a better electronics package, better gauge, just something more modern. The bike has the Honda electronic steering dampener, and that's only as far as technology goes. That's what it has, and I think that's good enough. And just a reminder, subscribe if you haven't, hit that like button if you're enjoying the video so far, hit that bell notification to keep updated with all my uploads that I'm going to be pushing out. Yeah, I killed it in soccer. Okay, bye, Mom.
Bye.
All right. Ooh, sorry. I hate when I accidentally do that on top of rev bomb. I know, you shouldn't even accidentally do that. I love these HOV lanes. Motorcycles allowed, baby. Man, this is a fun ride. And I didn't even do anything, I'm just cruising. Just being back on the baby. Listening to her sound she makes. Hearing the engine roar. Baby. Yeah, that's basically what's been going on in my life. That's the update that I have for you. You know, we're keeping this going. Stay tuned. Trust me, stay tuned. You guys are gonna be happy y'all was the first. 1300. Once I hit that milli, yeah, you already know. Gang. Let's go. Hi, baby.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'm ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.